Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Students, I am here to teach you Environmental Studies chapter number 7. So, take out your books and open page number 38. The name of the chapter is Food. Kids, do you know what is food? Food is a nutrition substance which is required for proper growth and development. In this chapter, we are going to study about why do we need food, which type of food we should eat, and what are the sources of food. Let's start. Every living being needs food to survive. You know, every living being needs to need foods to survive. Who all are the living beings? You know, plants, animals, and human beings. Food gives us energy and helps us to grow. By eating food, we get energy, which helps us to walk, to run, to go to school, and to do many more activities throughout the day. Meals. We eat 3 meals in a day. In whole day, we eat 3 main meals. What are the 3 main meals? Let's learn. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Kids, breakfast is the first meal of the day. It is morning meal. Lunch, we take it in the afternoon. Dinner we take in the night. In some countries, dinner is also called supper. All the 3 meals are very important for us. So, do not skip any of the meal. We can take healthy snacks in between our meals when we are hungry. Kids, besides 3 main meals, if we are hungry, we should take healthy snacks in between, such as fruits, juices, nuts and biscuits. Children should drink milk at least 2 times every day. Children, you should drink milk at least 2 times in a day because milk is a complete food. It makes your bones strong and healthy. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. At least you should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day because water keeps you hydrated. Junk food. Do you know what is junk food? Food which you all love, such as pizza, burger, chips, fries, noodles, etc. Junk food is unhealthy. It can make holes in your teeth. Eating junk food is very unhealthy for your body. You can see in this picture also, a person who ate junk food looks like this and a person who ate healthy food looks like this. So you have to decide which type of food you should eat. You should always eat healthy food to live a healthy life. Sources of food. Both plants and animals give us food. We get food from both plants as well as animals. Now we will see in this picture that what type of food plants give us and what type of food animal give us. Let's see. Plant products. We get grains, pulses, fruits, vegetables and nuts from plants. You can see in this picture. Animal products. We get meat, eggs and milk from animals. We make curd, butter, cheese and ice cream from milk. These products are known as dairy products. Bookwork of this chapter. Take out page number 4141. Question number first. Circle the correct option. Breakfast or lunch is the morning meal. Which is the morning meal, children? Morning meal means first meal. Which is the first meal? Breakfast. So, we will circle breakfast over here. Second, children must drink 6 or 2 glasses of water every day. Yes, this is the most important point, children. You should always drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day, and you should also drink milk 2 times in a day. So, how many glasses of water you should drink? You should drink 6 to 8. So, the answer is 6. Apple or onion is a fruit. Which one of them is a fruit? It's apple. So, we will circle apple over here. Number 4, potato or orange is a vegetable. Which one is vegetable? Potato. So, we will circle potato. Question number B, fill in the blanks. Eating food gives us dash. What we get when we eat food? We get energy. ENERGY, energy. We eat dash meals. Children, we eat throughout the day. But how many important meals we eat? We eat 3 important meals. So, answer is 3. THREE, 3. We make dash and dash from milk. What are the milk products which we make? Ice cream and butter. ICEICREAM, cream. BUTTER, butter. Dash and dash are animal products. What are the animal products we get from animal? We get milk and eggs. Okay. Now I hope you must have revised this book work with me. Now we will revise notebook work of this chapter. Let's see. Question number first. Write the names of 4 junk food. We have to write the name of 4 junk food that are unhealthy. Chips, burger, pizza, ice cream. CHIPS, chips. BURGER, burger. PIZZA, pizza, and ICECREAM, ice cream. Question number 2. Mention 4 milk products. So here we have to learn 4 milk products which we get from milk. Curd, butter, cheese and ice cream. These are the products which we get from milk. Question number 3. Name any 2 food items that we get from plants. Okay, what are the food items which we get from plants? We get fruits and vegetables. FRUITS, fruits. VEGETABLES, vegetables. So kids, I hope you must have understood the chapter food and enjoyed learning this chapter too. Now read this chapter twice. Thank you.